So today we're going to be talking about soil aggregation and soil aggregate stability. Shortly I'll be showing the slake test or the aggregate stability test, but first I'm going to talk about aggregation. Aggregate stability is an important physical indicator of soil health. It is an indicator of how soil aggregate resists dispersion or degradation by external forces like wind and water erosion or something like tillage. So here we're showing the slake test or simply aggregate stability test. So I have two soil aggregates and you can see they look drastically different. The one in my right hand is from a continuously cropped with tillage system, and the one in my left hand, you can hopefully see roots, you can see clumps of soil. This is a permanent cover, no-till system. These soils are the exact same texture, a silt loam soil, from about 10 feet apart. And you're going to see what happens as I drop these into water. And so these started out as air-dried aggregates. And so aggregate stability, you can see the structure of the soil on the right is breaking apart or slaking, hence slake test. Whereas on the left, this healthy soil with roots, good soil structure, pore space, that water is able to penetrate into the soil and there's very little to no slaking of the particles apart from each other. You can also see here on the right with this poor soil that as the soil is disintegrating or falling apart, the water is getting cloudy. So you can think about this on a field scale, a much larger area where we have runoff and erosion and we're potentially losing all the nutrients we've applied to our field. So aggregate stability is a very important indicator of soil physical health, and there are many practices that can be implemented to improve soil aggregate stability and soil structure. Some of these might include planting cover crops, keeping permanent living cover on the soil, minimizing tillage, and adding organic amendments.